Molly's Talking Chalk. I'm here to do a quick little live of the products that I forgot to show you guys the last time I was live. So, there's only a couple, so I will only be on here for a short period of time. If you want, you can check out this website below. It will have all my finished products and the link to my business. Cut this open. It's just a couple of surfaces that I didn't get to show you. Say hello when you're jumping on. Like and follow the business page. Share this out to your friends. Let people know we're live. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay. If you have any questions, please message them below. Even if I'm not live, I will come back and I will answer them. If you would like to join Chalk Couture, hashtag join. If you would like to know more about Chalk Couture, hashtag info. And if you would like to join our Club Couture, which is our subscription box, 3-month commitment, and then you can cancel at any time if you so choose to. So this is one of the boards, one of my favorite boards to work on. This one, and it can go this way as well. There are hangers on the back already for your convenience if you want to get them off the website and do something yourself. I mean, you could probably do something on the back of this if you really wanted to. They never talk about doing the backs of these ones, but I'm pretty sure you could. Then we have this one, which is, I didn't even say what this one was. The Couture Boutique Board Odette Black Frame. Hey everybody, how are you today? This way. If I can't see your comments, I need you to like and follow the business page so that Facebook knows that we want to get in contact with each other. My name is Chantel. Hey Ryan. How are you, honey? I'm only on for a quick minute. I'm just showing the surfaces that I forgot to show the other day when I was live. So this is like the same one as the other, except it's a little bit of a different shape. Pablo's coming home after I do an unboxing. There's like boxes everywhere. Just finish lunch, I need to go put the leftovers in the fridge. Be right back. Okay. Not a problem. Okay, and so this one will go like this. This one only has the 2 on the back, but if you really wanted to, you could probably put one here and have it hang this way. You could do a little welcome sign that way. How would be actually kind of cute. I just don't have the individual letters. And I think the letters that we have right now are too big for that one anyway, but trying to stack all these things so they don't fall. Because I have a bunch of random stuff on the desk. And this one is the Sylvie White frame. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. I'm doing alright. My stomach is feeling a little upset, so that's why I'm not going to stay on for too long. But I did want to show you guys this. So this is our Sylvie White frame. And then again, you can hang it this way or that way. I think this is the 9 by 12. Yeah, 9 by 12. So which ones do you guys like the most? Because we've got that one, the long guy, or this guy. I'm gonna end up using them all. I'm not using any of them tonight. I'm not feeling the greatest, so I'm not gonna stay on. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got in the last couple days. And when you say that one, I can't tell which one because I'm like showing you, and then there's a lag, so I don't know technically which one you're talking about. But that is all I have for you today. I will be back tomorrow. I'm gonna get all the gunky stuff out of my stomach, and I will talk to you then. Bye, guys.